So today I want to talk about what do you do on your first session. So a lot of people say, well, the very first session that I do is more like a meet and greet. I talk about what hypnosis is and what hypnosis isn't. I talk about expectations. I get a really good idea of what my client's talking about. I get some sort of rapport and all of these sorts of things. If there was one thing you guys could do to speed things up, so you don't have to have that meet and greet first session, use social media properly. Your social media should do what we call all the heavy lifting for you. It should be answering all those questions. It should be getting the attention of your clients so they watch all of these videos. So by the time they show up, they've got no questions. They don't need rapport. They don't need this. They know who you are because they've seen you on social media hundreds and hundreds of times every week. And this creates a really good expertise and rapport. So it's that first session that is crucial. And it's that first session you should be diving straight into the therapy, just straight into the breakthrough. So your social media guys should do all the heavy lifting for you. If you find that your niche is constantly asking about hypnosis, it's very rare, but let's just use that as an example. You keep seeing like all your anxiety clients saying, I want to do hypnosis, but I'm not sure if I'll get caught in hypnosis. Is that mind control? Make those videos live, have it set out to the public. So your potential clients who are following you on social media can watch these videos over and over, then go from one video to another, one social media platform to another. So by the time they get to you, 99% of the questions or issues they have about hypnosis or about doing a session have been relieved, and you can get into the therapy. So I do not believe in a meet and greet session. I do not believe in rapport. I do not believe in talking about hypnosis on the very first thing. All your social media should do that for you. It'll save a hell of a lot of time, guys. That means your clients get faster breakthroughs. You'll get paid more, spend less time with clients. It's better economics for your business. It's just all positive for you guys. Have fun with that idea.